Welcome to a short vlog video. The impossible happened. I actually was hiding a small detail from you guys. I really don't want to snake you and make fake videos. I'm really sorry. As you may have noticed, everything here is unscripted and just my thoughts while we go along. When I repaired this hockey puck mouse, at the very end, suddenly the small spring was away and I did not even realize when it flew away. If you carefully watch this video, you may notice that toward the end, when I assemble it, after soldering and starting to assembling it, there is a spring that is spring loading this pressure mechanism for the ball. And then in the next scene, it is away. This is a seldom manually focused scene because this Lumix G7 or what it was will not autofocus a small object. And yeah, I should more manually focus, I know. Although it's really entirely stupid to spend time for this 10 or 15 euro part, where even back in the day everyone hated the usability to spend any extra minute on it. It really bugged me a little bit that I spent 30 minutes or so repairing it and then the spring wasn't there, because we only have a cheap vacuum cleaner in the office with this old-fashioned with a back. I even carried our Dyson backless, or what it is called in English, where the dust is sucked into this plastic chamber, and I vacuumed the office not once but twice in the hope that I would collect this spring somewhere. And I didn't. What a wasted extra effort for this hated 10 euro mouse. But nonetheless, I just dropped a tiny bit of coffee and was wiping on the floor, and then suddenly I stepped on the spring. I really wonder sometimes how you can find the needle in the haystack. It's unbelievable. Just a little of a story of the day, and yeah, I hope I can quickly get the spring into the mouse before it flies away again. And I hope you enjoy all of my crazy videos and daily vlog messages. And actually I checked two other mices, some Logitech PS2 and some microsystems, and all use different spring mechanisms, because I thought I can recycle another spring, but they were all different in size and construction. Without the spring, the mouse is obviously not moving nicely. For the video I tried several things to hide this, and what worked a little bit. It wasn't awesome, but this was the most successful. This is a air bubble from this air bubble shipping stuff. It wasn't perfect, but at least something. And so the spring goes here, this tensioning thing, so I hope I somehow managed to get it in there without it flying away again. So the second lesson for you to learn is to really watch the small pieces while assembly. It is certainly a total waste of time to spend so much time on the repair and then losing a spring. It's not so visible on the camera anyway. I quickly do it, hope it doesn't fly away. And I hope you enjoyed all the crazy videos, even if I do a little bit vlog style, office, IT guy, coffee time kind of talk. And don't forget to subscribe for even more pointless tips. And I hope to see you soon.